How to disable the talkback on Android. I thought of selecting or enabling the talkback and then disabling it during this tutorial, but unfortunately that talkback enabled is so annoying that I would just show you the location from where you can enable or disable it, and then you can look for yourself, because when it is enabled you have to press every button twice, and at the same time the mobile is talking back to you, so it's not very comfortable to make a tutorial in that way. So let's assume that your talkback is enabled and you want to disable it. So the best way to do is that go to your settings, and then within the settings you can search for talkback. So the moment you will search for talk, you will get this talkback. Just click on this, and right on the top here where it is saying off, this toggle switch would be at on position. So you can just press it again and it will become off. But one thing that you should remember, that when it is enabled you have to press it twice, and then it will question you through a prompt that are you sure that you want to disable this talkback. Just press the OK twice and it will be disabled. Thanks for watching.